Welcome to Expound 100, where complex ideas are made simple. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital money that exists only online and is secured using advanced encryption, allowing people to send and receive money without relying on banks or governments. Popular examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrency operates on a technology called blockchain, which is like a shared digital ledger where every transaction is recorded permanently across a global network of computers. This system was first introduced in 2009 by an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto, with the goal of enabling peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. When someone sends cryptocurrency, the transaction is verified by network participants, often called miners, who solve complex problems to confirm its validity and add it to the blockchain, earning rewards in return. Over time, cryptocurrency has evolved from being just a form of money into a popular investment asset, attracting people with the potential for high returns, but also exposing them to significant risks due to its extreme price volatility. Prices can rise rapidly due to hype, demand, or positive news, and fall just as quickly due to fear, regulations, or market uncertainty, making it unpredictable. Alongside Bitcoin, there are many other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins, and users store access to their funds through digital wallets that use public and private keys, where the public key acts like an address and the private key acts like a secure password. While cryptocurrency offers advantages such as decentralization, global accessibility, fast transactions, and increased privacy, it also comes with downsides including scams, lack of regulation, irreversible transactions, and no consumer protection if something goes wrong. In the end, cryptocurrency presents exciting opportunities, but also serious risks. So, anyone interested should take time to understand how it works. Avoid emotional decisions, and never invest more than they can afford to lose.